Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make this whipped Chebe butter for my hair. It's super easy to make, so please keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther and I'm interested in lifestyle, DIY, natural hair and skincare remedies. If this sounds like something you would enjoy, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much. So what is Chebe powder? It's used by the African women of Chad to grow their hair super long, thick, and healthy. It's anti-inflammatory. It helps with length retention. It's amazing for the hair. So let's get started. What do you need? You need the Chebe powder, the star of the show, and shea butter. You can substitute that with another butter of your choice. Coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and castor oil. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of the Chebe powder. I put that in my pot and I'm going to add my oils at this time. The goal is to cover the powder with the oil at least up to an inch over the powder. The goal is to infuse this oil with the goodness, the nutrients of the Chebe powder. So it's going to be cooked on very, very low heat for at least 2 hours. So I just tweaked it a little bit and I added a little bit more avocado oil and olive oil, and then I put it on my stove and cooked it on low heat for 2 hours. And now I'm going to do my butters. I'm putting my shea butter and my organic coconut oil, and I'm going to just put that in my bowl, and I'm going to put that over a pot of boiling water, and I'm just going to let it sit there. I did not put it over the stove. I just let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes and then it melted down all the way. So this is me just checking on my Chebe infused oil on the stove. Once again, it's very important to cook this on the lowest heat possible. You do not want to destroy the nutrients in the Chebe powder. So cook on very low heat. So after 2 hours, I'm going to be mixing both my oils together, but first I'm going to strain my oil. I put a stocking cap over a bowl to strain the Chebe infused oil so that I would not have the little powder particles in my mixture. So I just mixed everything together. Once everything was well blended, then I covered up my bowl. I used a film wrap and then I put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. And that's what I'm doing here. So just cover it up and then put it in your freezer or fridge. So this is what my mixture looks like. After about 20-25 minutes, I just started mixing it all. I used my mixer, handheld mixer. Notice how dark the mixture started out at first. So after a couple of minutes, this is what it's looking like. At this point, I'm going to add my essential oils, rosemary oil. I also added lavender oil and peppermint oil to help with the smell, as well as they're also helpful for your hair as well. This Chebe powder has a very strong, unique smell. It's pretty strong. So these essential oils really help with masking some of that smell. So just keep mixing to get everything incorporated and well blended. So this is what my mixture looks like after about 7 minutes. I love it. It's not too thick. It's fluffy. I'm going to put this in my Ziploc bag and make some sort of piping bag to transfer this to my containers. So I just cut a hole at the pointy part and then I put my mixture in my containers. You can use whatever airtight container you have. You can use a mason jar. So it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just perfect. So this mixture can be used on your natural hair to seal your hair. So just apply on your hair and not on your scalp. You can apply on your hair and just do maybe your twists, two-strand twist or braids. But I think it's pretty easy to make. So go on and try it out. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out, if you like it, how yours turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share, and I will see you on my next video. And until then, be well. Take care.